Assalamu alaikum, hello and namaste. Welcome to a brand new series which is created by only me, a solo one, and it is all about get your flow back. You might be knowing my last episode was 111, and for past 2 months I have not done any recording on my podcast, and thus I thought, let me get all my things together and get my flow back and help those people who are trying to get in track with some productive and some creative things. So, I have started this new series which is about getting your flow back, where I will talk on a particular topic which will help you to get you more productive and in that flow. So, let's start. This is your host, Fareen here. Now, in anything, we have to start with a baby step. And so today's topic is accomplish a task. Everything has to be done in a step by step process. So, for me and for anybody who is going to start their flow, it'll be one step at a time for you to get back your flow or the rhythm to work or to get out of your laziness. Yes, I said laziness because I have felt it that I was lazy. But it's laziness is not bad, because even if you're lazy, you're still doing other things, okay? So don't be like guilty about it. So I have gone through this, and that's why I wanted to share this podcast about gaining the flow back. Now, before I lost the consistency to my work, I had done a lot of podcasts back to back. As soon as I finished that, and there was a certain time where I was expecting something out of others, but that didn't happen. It gave me a kind of a blow to my mind. So that was one more reason which also made me feel to stop what I was doing. But thanks to God Almighty, I have started again, and I feel that I should help others who have, been stagnant and they feel less productive. Now, the first step, as soon as I wake up and brushing the teeth is done, then I do my prayers, then I sit and write my to-do list for the day. Now, my to-do list used to have the people I need to contact for the day, the people whom I have to go ahead and record with, do some editing, create a poster. There'll be a list of things. And when I would write that list, I would just read it once and then I would forget it. Believe me, by the end of the day, I don't know what exactly happens, but when you're writing, your mind registers those tasks, those things which you need to do. And then automatically by the end of the day you will see, maybe like first day or the second day, I used to do like almost 70% of the task which was in my to-do list. And it was really surprising that whenever at the end of the day night, I would check my list and see what I have done for the day, and I would feel really productive. I mean, I have done most of the things in that. So if at all not many, just do a list or just one task in that list to do for the day, like a baby step. Like today, you will go and write at least 100 words, or you're going to create a video which is for a minute, that kind of whatever you do, or whatever work you want to start doing again. You can take a baby step towards that and start doing that one thing. And believe me, when you do that, you will feel that you have accomplished, you have been at least productive for that 1 minute or 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Okay, so what I'm trying to say you is, just take that one step and one task and accomplish for that day and doing that task. And when you get that result, like you have done it, that will set your or ignite your productive engines and set that rhythm, and maybe the next day you will follow the same pattern because it has given you some sort of happiness that you have accomplished something, right? So yes, that's the first step which you need to do, is accomplish a task. That was the first thing you need to do. And yes, the next one will be track your wins, which I'll be saying about or talking about in my next podcast. So, thank you for listening, and do like this, do share it. And if you have anything to say, do comment on it. And you can always get in touch with me on Instagram, Facebook. And this podcast will be on Spotify, Anchor, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and where and all the podcasting platforms. Thank you for listening and stay blessed, stay safe. Allah Hafiz.